Now, what's the problem with human beings? Because the needs of this body are felt immediately. When you are hungry, there are hunger pains. You feel it. You run about to satisfy this hunger. When you are thirsty, you feel you will die. You run about to find water, to quench it. But the needs of our spirits, they keep ignored. They are thrown back. Now, actually, what is falah? To design to your own real personality from the heap or debris of this animal existence and then develop it. Just as a seed bursts and out of it comes two small leaves. And that is the beginning of a plant or a tree. Even a mango tree, the nut that breaks. And out come two small leaves. And then it goes up and up. It becomes a tree. You have to split your personality, this animal side of it, and dig out. That's why, one of the translators in Urdu, Sheikh Mahmudul Hasan, rahimahullah, Sheikhul Hind, he was very beautifully translated and given the essence of this word. Kaam nikal le gaye ahle iman. Nikal le jana. As if there is a treasure somewhere. You have to dig it out. The treasure is there. You have to dig it out. The oil is there. You have to do the drilling to get it out. In the same way, you have it within you. I wonder whether any one of you can appreciate Hindi poetry. It's a very beautiful couplet. भीका भूखा कोई नहीं, सबकी गठरी लाल, गिरा खोल जाने नहीं इस विद बे कंगाल. No human being is hungry or without the wealth. Every human being has the pearl of that divine ruh within him. You know what is guttery? What would you call it in English? A bundle. It's tied up. Only you have to open, the mouth of that bundle. And whosoever doesn't know that I have a pearl, I have a very, very precious, some pearl in my bundle, he will be begging others. He doesn't know. In his own, pocket, he has that pearl. Bhika is the poet. Bhik. Bhika, bhuka koi nahi. No one is hungry. No one is without this wealth. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given this wealth, this root to every human being. Bhika, bhuka koi nahi, sabki gashri lal. That pearl is there. Gira khol jane nahi. They don't know how to open, the knot which is binding that bundle. Is bid by kangal, and that's why they have become poor. To open the knot is falaha. Qad aflaha al-mu'minun. Women actually have opened the knot of their animal personality, dug out their real, essential human personality, and that is the ruh, and then to develop it. Just as the nut of a mango tree, is it the correct word for that good tree? The nut of the mango tree opens, and from there, you have two leaves, and they grow, and they go to make the full mango tree. In the same way, you have to open, you have to dig out that real essence within you, your spiritual existence, and then develop it. And this is called falah.